Barley is a very popular grain, consumed around the world for its distinct flavor and versatility to be added to a number of different recipes. Not only is barley enjoyed for its pleasant taste, but it is also packed with many healthy nutrients and offers unique health benefits. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming barley regularly. First, barley is very nutrient dense and contains many healthy vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. More specifically, barley is a good source of manganese, selenium, niacin, iron, zinc, thiamin, and magnesium, to name a few. It is also rich in dietary fibre and lignans, a unique and potent antioxidant compound that offers many health benefits, such as reducing disease. Due to the great levels of both soluble and insoluble fibre found in barley, it can help to improve overall digestion, increase intestinal health, and the health of the digestive tract. The high levels of insoluble fibre helps to add bulk, increase food movement through the intestines, and increase bowel function. It can also help to reduce digestive-related ailments, such as constipation and inflammation, while also helping good bacteria in the gut to thrive. Barley is also considered to be heart healthy and can promote the health of the heart many different ways. This is often attributed to compounds known as beta-glucans. These compounds have been shown to help reduce bad LDL cholesterol. Not only that, but they can also help to increase good HDL cholesterol and reduce triglyceride levels. As well, due to the high amounts of antioxidants, fiber, and nutrition, barley can help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease. It can also provide benefits for those individuals suffering with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing the disease. This is because barley is rich in magnesium, an important mineral that plays a role in the production of insulin and how the body uses sugar. Barley has also been shown to help improve insulin secretion and lower blood sugar levels. The high levels of soluble fiber are also beneficial in this regard. Lastly, consuming barley regularly can help to promote weight loss and healthy weight management when consumed in moderation. It is an excellent source of fiber, which helps us to feel full longer and prevent snacking and overeating. Also, barley can positively impact metabolic responses in the body, especially when compared with refined grain products and other carbohydrates. It is also a great source of nutrition, which can help to fuel workouts and provide energy, especially for those individuals on a calorie-restricted diet. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.